Seafood flower years, old mountain thinking, my way. Don't go. Your heart jumps up. The hero's sunset laughs so beautifully. Beautiful, 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 don't go. I'll wash your hands sooner or later. Ah. Where are there so many songs? So painful. Big deal, won't let you. Ouch. Coming. Look at the love of the days. The style jumps, spits fire, messy. Look at the waves and don't smile. Take it all the way. Who knows, first blood. Who knows, Jianlong, dong dong dong. Who will get me something to eat? Shout loudly, garlic, eat on the ground. Old Jianghu of East Mountain, danger. Run quickly, after I hear the hidden spell sound. That white moon blade, dragon swimming, 18 rounds, the world awaits. I'll explain it to you properly here. Don't tell me. If your heart. Holding a flowing, crescent-shaped knife. Beautiful lipstick. Who's there? In the morning, Grandma Wang, don't run. You laugh. How many red trees are full of laughter? I laughed for a year. Practicing underwater development by boat. The forest is big. There are many birds. Dad and Mom do good deeds, not to bother people. Mountains and waters can also be hidden. Rivers, lakes, waves surging. Look at how carefree I am. Who will be upset? Who knows? Ha ha ha, die. So painful. The shoulders and head of a girl with a fragrant scent. Hee ha 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 ha. I am so good. Filming him opening a tree. Bend down that little waist. How high to fly? More cicadas practice than goats. Why are there so many people with names? Ha ha. Doing good deeds without letting people know what's going on. Right and wrong annoying people. Yo. Flowers, flowers, flowers. A little girl's girl. What is this crap? Look up at me. How long have I been waiting for you? I ha ha. My hand didn't get to eat. Stopped. The second glance marked a spot. The wind blows to bring good news. So classy and auspicious. Bowing down. The world is dangerous. Hurry. Foothead. I ride a little donkey. Carrying a crescent moon knife on my back. Like I eat two people's heads in my hand. Old. Another immortal. When will it all end? Let's take a good look. Just didn't go online. I thought if you admit defeat, I won't sleep a big sleep. Tell you. Watch my performance. Hey, help me. Hanging on a saber. Seen heroes bend. Flying over beats walking on walls. How high I fly. I sat on the grass on the car. The grass of a wild goose. Not letting people know. That's Shia. Oh my god. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Oh. Rivers, lakes, flowers, waves high. See how much I wander. Who on Xiao Mountain isn't injured? Who knows that being second in the world is also good? The wind and rain are coming. Just right, who is more skilled than me? Laugh loudly. The earth shakes, sister. We are happy. Blessings surge like waves. See how carefree you are. Who's able to be feared? Who knew being second best is also pretty good? Wind and rain are higher than me. Whose martial arts are better than mine? Louder. If the earth shakes, the mountains won't. Quickly run, for doors of the house. I'm the highest, look at how much I wander. Carefree, jumping on the river road. Who knew being second best is also pretty high? Triple kill. Just right, who is more ordinary than our treasure? Hey, dancing mountain. Shaking tiger, danger. Run quickly. Beauty in the Jianghu. A review of ridiculous moments recorded by surveillance. The slogan I shout while holding a meteor crescent blade. Whirling black. I'm coming, damn it. There's skill up there. Don't run. I've been in the army all my life. Heroes drift on the knife. Bend your waist and fly. No matter how high I fly. I practice water floating by boat. The name is big. There are so many birds. Do good deeds that people won't forget. Right and wrong are annoying. Don't stand so close. Don't stand so close. I beg you. Don't. Who said we're not familiar? Who knows? Being second in the world is also pretty good. It's raining today. Just who is better than my kung fu? I'll tell you. Westlake is dangerous. Come run quickly. We'll leave a name. Family, who understands? Met an old 6. A phone worth over 10,000 almost disappeared. Woo woo woo. Holding it, hee hee, I'm back again. Shouting a loud slogan. Who's there? State your name. Embracing a loving heart, floating in the water every night in Shanghai. At most, one day. That yellow river mountain, practicing water drifting. The forest is big, there are so many better ones. Do good deeds without letting others know. The devils are surging forward step by step. See me how carefree I am. Who's the most upset? Who knows that being second is also pretty good? The wind and rain are coming. Just right, the wind shakes the Tiger Mountain, the rivers and lakes are dangerous. Run quickly. Rivers, lakes and seas, the waves are surging. Watch me roam freely. Who is the most upset? Who knows that being second is also pretty good? The wind and rain are coming. Just right, baby. My martial arts are high. Laugh out loud. The earth shakes, the mountains shake, the rivers and lakes are dangerous. Run quickly. I'm really breaking down. Transform into a wandering, surging. I roam a lot. Freedom is truly the highest love. Flatland is selling pretty well. The wind and rain are coming even better. Who can give me a sun character? High-end, classy. A little sparkle. Plus lake danger. Run quickly. Bro ha ha ha. Rivers and lakes are dangerous. Alas, this is fate. La la la. And then they let me go. I hold a meteor crescent moon blade. Shouting a loud slogan. Who in the jungle will announce their name? You got the guts. Don't you run. Hey, I've been floating on the blade of a knife all my life. What's going on? Bend your little waist to go to your aunt's house for a meal. So happy. The boat practices floating on water. Don't let people know. Who is Fei Feng? Annoying. The rivers and lakes have turbulent waves. See how much I wander. Free and easy laugh.